Facebook is rolling out its first tactic to stop the spread of fake news. It's a new system that uses nonpartisan fact checkers to spot the fake news stories on your feed. Now, here's a look at how it will alert you to the misinformation. Hoax stories will be tagged disputed by a debunker like Snopes and PolitiFact. Those fact checkers are required to sign a code of principles created by the journalism nonprofit Pointer. Facebook first announced these changes back in December. Well, Yelp is adding a new feature that will let users search for businesses offering gender-neutral restrooms. Yelp says it will collect information from both customers and business owners to add a gender-neutral restrooms category to its list. Yelp defines such restrooms as single-stall facilities accessible to people of any gender. Yelp says the initiative is set to be phased in over the next several weeks.